morning students. Today we will do this question. Here in this question A is given to you matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2 tan alpha by 2 0 and I is the identity matrix of order 2, so that I plus A equal to I minus A matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. This we have to prove. How we can prove? Look here this, that I minus A and this matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha is given to you. We know these two formulas, sin alpha and cos alpha. These two formulae you have to learn, that sin alpha equal to 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, and cos alpha is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. These value you have to learn for this question. Now what is I? I is a identity matrix of order 2. A you write from the question, okay, and this is cos this matrix, second matrix as it is we write. Now you will subtract this first, so you get this format. 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus tan alpha by 2 is tan alpha by 2, 0 minus tan alpha by 2 is minus tan alpha by 2, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So you get this matrix. In the second place of cos alpha you put this value, place of minus sin alpha you put this value, place of sin alpha you put this value, place of cos alpha you put this value. We will get this type format, okay. And this here a very complicated formula we get. So this type complicated formula, if we see, means a very problem will be. So what we do here, we will suppose this format is a very simple, okay. How we can suppose this is a very simple? We will suppose that here the dangerous part we can say that part. So place of tan alpha by 2 we suppose y. So you in every part you will change this tan alpha by 2 equal to y. So you will get this format, the simple format, okay. Now in the second matrix you can see, take common 1 plus y square. 1 plus y square if you take common, you will get this type format. 1 upon 1 plus y square you take common, and this format you will get. And in this format you can check, here you have to multiply these two matrix, you have to multiply. How we can multiply? And in multiplication rules we know already that we have to multiply row by column. This first row you multiply by first column, okay. So you will get this part. Second column you multiply, you will get this. Second row and first column you multiply, you will get this. Second row and second column you multiply, you will get this line, okay. So this type you can get this format. And now you will solve, you will simplify, you will get this format, okay. And in this format you can understand this format you get. From these you take common, minus y is common, and from this you have y is common, okay. Now after this you will get this format. Now you multiply, the outside is 1 plus y square, you multiply inside, so you get this format. And this format you can separate, this type you can separate. Identity matrix you can separate from this. If you separate from this the identity matrix, you get these two format. And now place of y, again you put this value. Now you can see what is this. This is the I and this is a. So you, this type you prove this question. This question is very simple question. Look here I plus a equal to I minus n. You have to prove this type. You can see you prove here of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. What we will do in transpose of matrix, and what is the transpose of matrix? First you have to understand the matrix obtained from any given matrix A by interchanging its row and column is called its transpose, and is denoted by A dash, A small t, or A power t, capital T, okay. You can denote by any of these. Look here this example. Here this is the first row, second row and third row. This is your changing column, first column, second column and third column, same number 1 2 3 4. Previous you have in a row, first row, that you can change in column, okay. Or You can think in other way also, that if this is a first column, second column, third column and fourth column, that you can change in first row, second row, third row and fourth row. So if you want, you have to interchange only row or column. Look here, if you change in row and column or column in row, you will get the transpose. Okay, now this, what is the properties will be? Properties will be here that first property is if A dash and B dash are transpose of A and B, then A plus B transpose will be equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and K A bracket and transpose will be equal to K into A transpose, where K is a scalar. A B transpose will be equal to B dash A dash transpose. Here A and B, the position is replaced, that you can understand. Here look here, if A is M into N matrix, then A dash is N into M will be. Here previous is M into N, now N into M you have. A transpose and again you have a transpose, that will be A. If you have ABC and transpose, that will be equal to C dash, B dash and A dash you will have. Now some more you have to understand, that symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so what is the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, that we have to understand. Look here, what is a symmetric matrix? Symmetric means a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. Means if you do the transpose and there is no change, then we will say this is called a symmetric matrix. Look here, this matrix you can see 2, 4, 4 and 5. If you interchange, or you can say first row and first column is same, second row and second column is same, that time also we can say, means column and row are equal. Column elements, first row column element and first row elements are same, second column element and second row elements are same, that time also we can say it is a symmetric matrix. Second, we have the skew symmetric matrix. What is the skew symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric matrix means the square matrix A is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to minus A. Means row and column, what is the change will be? The negative sign change will be. If you do the transpose, means you have the negative, means the change of the negative will be. First, what is the change will be here? First row and first column difference is minus, difference is negative. Second row and second column is the difference of minus. Third row and third column difference is of minus. So this type you can understand this. Look at diagonal, you can see here diagonal elements are 0. So diagonal elements are 0 in skew symmetric matrix. For a square matrix, A plus A transpose is always symmetric matrix. If you have any square matrix and if you find A plus A transpose, this will be a symmetric matrix always. A minus A transpose is always skew symmetric matrix. Any square matrix can be expressed as that the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. If this type question will be very important for your exam also, that a square matrix can be expressed as that the sum of square symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So this is a matrix A is given to you and you have to represent in form of a symmetric. This plus will be always symmetric, minus will be always skew symmetric. Now if you open this bracket and solve, you will get this A only. So this formula you have to learn. Okay, this is very important part. Look at some question you can understand here, that find the transpose. Look here, you have to find the transpose of this. A transpose means the first row you change in first column, second row you change in second column, third row you change in third column, so you get a transpose. Okay, this is very simple question. Now look here, second question is A transpose is given 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 and B is given to you minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Verify A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. How we can change? Look here, we know already that A equal to A transpose and again transpose. Double transpose means that will be A. So you can change, you can find this A. How we can find? First row you change in first column, second row you change second column, third row you change in third column. Okay, and B transpose how we can find? First row we change in first column, second row we will change in second column. Okay, now in left hand side you put the value. Okay, this is the a minus b dash equal to what you have, a and b you will put here. Okay, this is a and b you put, you subtract, you will get this part. Now you transpose first row first column, second row second column, you get your answer. Okay, now similarly right hand side also you prove. In right hand side you can check that this is a transpose and b transpose. A transpose is right here, b transpose is right here, subtract this, you get this value. And now the left hand side and right hand side both are equal, so it is verified. Now one more question. A transpose is given to you, b is given to you, then you have to find a plus 2b transpose. Here first you find a. How we can find a? First row you change in first column, second row you change in second column, so you get a. Okay, now look here, same you will put in value in this a plus 2b. First you find a plus 2b, so a, this is 2b, you solve this you solve this. Okay, you get this part. This is a, this is the a plus 2b, and now you have to find a plus 2b transpose. So transpose first row first.